our basic project called the Pup Fit Tracker by Sarah and Kaylee.
Abstract. In the world we know today, dogs go missing every day. In fact, over 10 million dogs go missing each year in the USA alone. Another large problem is overweight dogs. 25 to 30% of dogs are overweight in the USA. The Pup Fit Tracker is designed to help prevent these problems by monitoring your dog's health and whereabouts, so that dog owner is never worried where their furry friend is. We thought that if we monitor a dog's health and whereabouts, it will decrease the amount of passing or missing dogs. While doing this project, we built a model of the band, which is placed on the top of the back leg where it meets the thigh. It needs to be there because, according to Pet Coach, you can typically feel a dog's heartbeat on the inner side of the upper thigh over the femoral artery. After making this model, we knew it wasn't a very good representation of what it might look or might feel like in real life because of a lack of materials due to COVID-19, and also some materials are way too expensive. For example, the tracker, which is over $300. Also, we have written a lab report, but we've never written a lab report before, and we only were told to do this 1 month before the due date. And there are things that we could have improved and some things that we did well.
Discussion. Our project is an innovation. We came up with the idea of a dog band that monitors a dog's health and whereabouts. We named it a Pup Fit Tracker. The way you can track your dog is similar to a Fitbit. The Pup Fit Tracker has an app. This app includes data showing your pup's heart rate, health, location, timers for when you should do your dog's chores, and much more. With these components, you can ensure that your dog is healthy with just the click of a button. Say goodbye to worrying about whether you are doing what is right for your dog, because the Pup Fit Tracker app does it all.
The Pup Fit Tracker would function by using the back of the screen piece, which uses LED lights that flash hundreds of times per second to detect the volume changes / heart rate changes. This is used to figure out the pulse against the back leg at the top of the thigh, similar to the health trackers for humans, but instead of on the wrist, it goes on the top of the thigh. Then you'll hear the heart rate will be sent to the app, where it will then tell you how your dog is feeling. For example, if it needs to go outside. Then, if you want to know where your dog is, then you can go ahead and use the GPS on your app. Because making an app was too advanced and it would take so long, we made a website instead. This website is not accurate and it's not like the app. It's more just a promotion for our product, but you could click there for the website. And also our pricing, we are estimating around $350, thinking about other human health monitors and just
During this project, we collected data from classes at Virtual Elementary West and discovered that 26.7% of the students had their or their friend's dog go missing for a few hours or days, and 33% had or knew a dog that was overweight. Even though it is not a super large percentage of students, we want to ensure that the other 70% never have to experience a missing or overweight dog. The majority of students that we surveyed had not owned a dog but knew someone who had a dog. And most of the people who had a dog had their dog out for 30 minutes to 3 hours a day. The most healthy amount of time for a dog to be outside is anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours a day.